How high Tesla stocks can go. Greetings everyone, welcome to Curiosity. Well, today we are here with a very unusual video. The content will surely blow your mind when we look at the soaring trend of Tesla shares. Initially, we invite you to consider the Tesla shares in the stock market. The astonishing thing is that the prices are begging us to sell our Tesla shares. Like, just look at them. They are another 7% up today, which are another $42. We are well above $600 per share. Okay, just watch any stock market news from some time. Say 15 to 20 minutes and think about what's happening. You'll have a million questions pounding your mind, and today we will try to answer as many of them in our video. Before we do get into today's video, if you're new to Curiosity, you're going to want to head on over and hit that subscribe button. If you're ready to have your mind blown, ring that notification bell as well, so you'll never miss another video. Well, the Tesla stocks have soared 7% today, and they are well above $600 per share. Look at the market capitalization, it crossed $608 billion for the stock, and we are thinking, should we consider sell our stock? We are just looking at this and we are really curious that why is the stock making such a big move? And we come up with this article in BusinessInsider.com saying that Tesla could soar over 300% to reach $2,500 in the next 3 years. ARK Invests put their bullish case for Tesla stock for 2024 for this company to get to a $3 trillion market cap, and even that's super bullish for Tesla stock. We look at those numbers and thought that they looked ridiculous, okay? And now here we are with a $600 market cap and we are like, damn, they will be right in this whole situation. It's absolutely unreal. We are 2 weeks away from 2021 and we are over 600 billion market cap, which is astounding. Our brains are trying to compute all this craziness. Are the stocks overvalued? Is it a deal? Is it real that they are about to go up by 300% by the next 3 years? In today's video, we will try to give you the red pill, the blue pill, and the Tesla pill in all the same video. Get ready, it's about to get real intense. Why do people believe the stock could soar to 300%? Why do they think like that? We will give you our 2 cents at the end of the video. The biggest giant, Apple Incorporation. Okay guys, first we talk about Apple Incorporation, the biggest beast, which is the most profitable company in the world, and we're going through a history lesson about Apple. This is a company with a $2.1 trillion market capitalization here today. Absolutely unreal. What comes to Apple, we always thought that Apple looked overvalued several times in the past 20 years. Okay, there were several times in the past several years when it came to Apple's stock that individuals say it's peaked. This is the peak of Apple. It's not going to go further and it's only going to go down. But what happened along the way to Apple is this is a company that just continued to innovate and come with a game-changing products. Apple's case history. Before the launch of the iPod, people made a case that Apple had peaked and the valuation that's crazy. And then the launch of the iPod happened, then the launch of the MacBook and the MacBook Pro happened. Then the iPhone, right? And then after the launch of the iPhone, the stock actually went down. Think about that. At that time, the Apple stocks went down for a year. Then there was the iPad, then there was the Apple Watch, then the AirPods. Over the time, the company kept coming up with products and services that were game changers to the people's lives, and the company grew. Apple kept soaring even after Steve Jobs. Keep this in mind that the iconic Steve Jobs has been gone for more than a decade now. He stepped away from the company in like 2010, and here we are in 2021. He's gone for a decade now, and yet all the company has done is a beast. We remember that there were countless people that said Steve Jobs has steered away from Apple, and that's it for Apple. It's gone forever now. There were countless of them, and guess what the company has grown ever since then? The second bigger beast, Amazon. Now that's not the only big beast we have encountered. There is another company called Amazon. Look at their market cap over time. If we go all the way back to 2001 to 2002, and this is after the tech bubble, after everything had popped and the stock price had gone down and all sort of things, if you look at Amazon back then, the company was trading at a ridiculous market cap. Frankly, 2001 after the tech bubble at $4 billion, 2002 the company is trading at $7 billion. Those were crazy evaluations. That was long before Jeff Bezos, and the company was valued like that, looking crazy. Amazon was a fairly small company to what it has become today. Look at the 2009-2010 period revenue-wise, and they were trading at $60 billion and $80 billion. They were losing money back then and a considerable amount. Comparison between Apple and Walmart. People were comparing Amazon and Walmart, though Amazon was much smaller than Walmart at that time. All that time, several people revalued that Amazon was way too overpriced and the stocks couldn't go any higher for Amazon because it just got way too high. But yet look at where evaluation kept going and look at where we are today. It's like $1.6 trillion or whatever it is. It's a fairly large number as far as Amazon's market cap here today, and growing from 2001, it was just $4 billion. It's ridiculous. So guys, when you look at big companies like them, you feel they are big beasts who keep beasting. No matter what the evaluation in these companies keep getting better, they keep rising, and they keep coming with game-changing products and services, and they keep beasting. But it isn't that simple, okay? When you think about a stock like Tesla, right? Here we are, it's 2020 and Tesla has revenues roughly 600 billion or so in this year. Is Tesla an Apple or Amazon situation? Do we think that the majority of people will be driving Tesla in the future, or the future automobiles will be energy efficient in the future? And another bit of news, Tesla could soar another 300% as the company expands its tech outside the auto industry. That means it could soar to $2,500 a share in the next 3 years. A move like that could push market capitalization for Tesla now $567 billion, while it's actually well over $600 billion now to over $2 trillion. Only one other US-listed company, Apple, has passed that number. Tesla would evolve over the next few years to become more than just a quote-unquote car company. They are really going to take their tech that they are defining and pioneering with auto and applying it to new markets. Elon Musk, the CEO, has said that Tesla might enter the insurance company business. Elon has said that 30 to 40% of a car's value could be insurance. What that means that they can start offering their new insurance and improve margins. The big thing is that people who wants to invest in Tesla, the company is going to evolve and be a tech leader in the next decade, and they should all get on board. Ships have sailed for traditional auto companies to compete with Tesla. Even big names like General Motors and Volkswagen are not in the best position to even remotely compete with Tesla. How high will Tesla soar? If Apple was to come in and compete against Tesla, these numbers have gone really large. We would have to step back and think. Tesla stock was dead for a long period, we should tell you, from 2013 to 2019, and all this while these guys did an amazing job to their products. They did some really wonderful things and the stock didn't rise. It was near dead and then they came with a bang. And here we are wondering, maybe Tesla will touch the 1 trillion mark, or maybe the 2 trillion mark, or maybe the 3 trillion mark. And that's how an investor's stocks should think. Not just buying shares because they are going up, but think from a company's perspective. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos in the future. Also hit the bell icon to stay up to date and be the first one to watch our latest videos.